I got a new apron. Let's cook. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Excuse the football in the background. Per usual, my husband is watching TV. But anyways, it's dinner time and I got an easy one for you tonight. I'm making grilled chicken sandwiches. Yum. Now, I've been trying to watch what I eat lately, so I would love to have a fried chicken sandwich, but I guess grilled it is, but it's going to be just as good. I'm going to show y'all how I marinate it. So you might think that, grilled chicken sandwich, I've had that before. What makes sure it's so special? Well, I'm going to show you. So, let's get to the ingredients. Let's go. Okay, so, I'm sorry for this glare right here, y'all. I am working on my lighting. I'm sorry. Anyways, what goes into my chicken? So, first of all, if you know me, you know I love my boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's what we're using. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you don't want to use that and you prefer to use chicken breast, go ahead and use chicken breast, honey. Do your thing. But I like chicken thighs because they're juicier and they retain more flavor for me. But, you know, if you don't want to, do you, sis. And then I made my own little herb and spice concoction here, which I'm going to tell you what's in it right now. So, in this, I have, what do I have in this? Alright, salt and pepper. I have some Chipotle chili powder. Chipotle chili powder is made by McCormick, and they sell it on the spice aisle. It's really good. I love it because it gives it like a really good smoky flavor and a little bit of a kick too. If you don't like spice, you can skip some of the spices, but it's not going to be that bad if you want to give it a try. So Chipotle chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt and pepper. If I hadn't said it already, I probably did. And really, that's it. That's it. I'll have the direct all the ingredients down below, as you know. So, but yeah, this is my own little concoction of spices that I have here. We're going to use some extra virgin olive oil, and also we're going to also use a lime. Give it a little bit of alright, y'all, so I have my spices here, my little spice blend. Cayenne pepper, I don't think I mentioned that too. So Chipotle chili powder, cayenne pepper, salt, pepper, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, all that good stuff will be linked down below, so check it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, no, we're not gonna put that first. We're gonna put the olive oil first. I don't have a decanter anymore for my olive oil, so I'm not all fancy, but you'll be alright. Straight from the bottle, it's all good. So we're going to put the olive oil on the chicken first. That's going to help the seasoning stick to it. And it's going to give for a good layer of char when we grill it. So make sure that the oil is on all of the chicken. Now we can go ahead and add our spices. I'm gonna add the whole thing. Don't worry, just do it. Then we're gonna mix that all together. Making sure it's getting in contact with all of your chicken. I'm going to cut up this lime. So I'm going to cut this lime, squeeze the lime in. The acidity of the lime is going to help with the seasonings penetrating into the meat. And it's going to actually give a good flavor to it too. It's going to help bring out the rest of all of the spices I put into it. So we're going to mix that all in. This stuff is going to make me sneeze, y'all. So make sure it's all mixed in where all of the seasonings are in contact with all your pieces of chicken. Then we're going to just sit to the side. Now, if you want to marinate this overnight, you you want to prep it the night before or something like that, go ahead and do that. That's just going to make for a more intense flavor. But for tonight, I just didn't have time for it, so I didn't do it. But it still turned out good. Alright, so we're going to cover. Did you get my car from over at the parking lot? Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you, baby. Alright, so we're going to put this up, and we'll come back to that in just a minute. Alright? Okay, so you're going to need buns. Obviously, right? You're going to need buns. I like the bakery made buns. I don't really want to use the Wonder Bread. Now, don't get me wrong. I've used it before, and if that's what you got, go ahead and use that. But your buns are important. The type of buns that you pick is important, sis. So make sure you pick some good buns, and we're going to toast these, okay? You're going to toast them because when you put your sauce on it, it's not going to make the bread all soggy and all that, fall apart and all that. So, buns. Also, sriracha mayo. Sriracha mayo is what I will be putting on the sandwich. I recommend you use this. If you are not a mayo eater, you should try sriracha ranch. If you don't like ranch, I don't know what to tell you. But this is sriracha mayo. I'll be putting that on the sandwich tonight. It's really good. And I'm not a big mayo eater either, but it's good. Trust me. I also have my toppings for my sandwich. So I have onion, I have some basil. The basil is going to be so good because it's going to give it like this fresh kind of minty taste that basil gives. Trust me, try it. It's really good. Some lettuce here and some pepper jack cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I like pepper jack cheese though. But if you want to eat it how I'm eating my food, I would suggest you follow my recipe. But you can definitely modify it. So if you need to, go ahead and do that. Okay? Let's cook. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and grill our buns and toast them up a little bit. This grill is it's a yakiniku grill. I bought it here in Japan. For some reason I cannot find a grill like pan, you know what I mean? So this is the best I can do for a grill besides going outside and grilling, but we know it's the dead of winter right now, so I'm not doing that. So let's go ahead and grill these buns. These are the buns, and we're gonna put those on here and just toast them up a little bit. Just toast it. So do y'all prefer fried chicken sandwiches or do you prefer grilled chicken sandwiches? Let me know in the comments down below. If you marinate it good enough, I think I can eat it. But also I miss Chick-fil-A. So let's see how these turned out. Shouldn't take too long. It shouldn't take too long for them to toast up. Just like a few minutes. Maybe like 2 to 3 to 5 minutes, maybe. So we can get ready to take these off of here. Good toasted bun. Let's cook the chicken. So you're going to start the chicken skin side down. It's the best way to do it, because you want to crisp up the skin side first. Yes.
so hot, you want to swim that long, just go for it.
Okay. Uh-huh. Checking out this video today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I was about to say but I hope you enjoyed the video. It's really quick type of dinner. It's really fast. So weeknight meal, you want to just whip something together, this is the go-to. It's so good. Don't you want to bite? You want some, don't you? You want some? You want some? I'm gonna have some. Once again, thank you guys for checking out this video today. I really appreciate you coming and checking me out time and time again. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. It helps me out so much. And click that subscribe button so you can be updated every single